Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Xiaomi Mi Sport Bluetooth earphones, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to your device, or if they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues that you're trying to fix can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you will need to set them up again because all of the pairing history will be deleted, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to set these earbuds up as a new set of earphones, as though you were just taking them out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is our earphones need to be plugged in and they need to be charging for this to work. And then we're going to come down on the little button down here that's on the cable. This little multi-function button here, you'll just press and hold it for about 10 seconds. And basically there's a little indicator light right next to it. And when that starts to blink alternate colors, then you know that it is resetting. You can just allow it to finish its reset process and then set these earphones up as a new set of earphones.